Hey, this is Steve Baumgartner. Thanks for coming back. Appreciate it. I'll talk to you a little bit about my morning ritual. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking the other thing. No, it's coffee. Coffee. Without coffee, there's no rest of the day.
So prep. Get the coffee you need. The first thing you need to do is put water. Without water, there's no coffee. So I have filtered coffee that I use for my wine. So it's extremely just water. I don't have any other way to say that. It's filtered. So I put my 6 cups in there. Get that ready to go. And then next thing you got to do is put your filter in. Otherwise, you get a lot of granules because the net that comes with the machine is just too open. So then again, you got your selections of coffee. You pick the one you like. I like the caramel, so that's what I have here. 3 scoops equals 6 cups. Then get that sucker fired up, and it's just a matter of time before you have that awesome coffee.
Coffee is just the best part of the day, completely. Without that, it's just like no gas in the car. What I like? I like caramel flavored, vanilla, nutmeg? No, hazelnut. There you go. I don't know about you guys, but I like my coffee. But this is what this lady did. This is Mrs. Crowley. We called her Grandma Crowley. Lived at the end of Calanda Street, I think it was, or Deverian, I can't remember, in Altadena, California. Right straight down the street at the bottom. She'd make coffee, cinnamon rolls in it to sweeten it up. And that was so good. I can remember there's times that probably 5 of us would be down there drinking our coffee. And then out in our front yard, there was nothing but pine trees and openness. And she says, go for it, do whatever you want out there. So we built big mounds of dirt, made stuff for cars, and then we had bicycles and we made jumps and everything. It was always a mess, but I don't know, I guess it was okay with her, kept the weeds down. And all the neighborhood kids would come out there and play. That's how we got on coffee. I got on coffee. And then in college, it was like megatons of coffee, get through all the studies, that and Vivarin. So coffee was always been a major contributor to my consciousness. So now I just enjoy it. It warms, you drink it, it warms you up on the inside, puts a nice flavor in the air. It's kind of like coffee and bacon. Ah, awesomes. My dad used to take us camping, and we'd wake up to the smell of eggs, bacon, and coffee. That was the best thing in the morning up in the Sequoia, Kings Canyon National Park areas. Dad used to take us up there every once in a while. You have nice fresh air, and then you smell these 3 flavors coming through the tent. Good memories. So coffee is part of my life. I love it. I don't see it going away at any time soon. Just wanted to show you what I do in the morning every day. Talk to you later. So, Mr. McKinnon, some of us aren't teetotalers. I mean, I think it probably would taste really good, that hummingbird natural, I don't know what you call it. Seems like you really like it, but coffee, oh boy, coffee. It's America's favorite. Is that you?